Welcome, this is PNK TV. Kindly subscribe for all latest and trending news. Lawyer Githu Muigai, who is representing IBC in the election petition before the Supreme Court, insists that the August 9 general elections was conducted in a free and fair manner in accordance with the Constitution. While giving his submissions, the court held that Chebukati, who has extensively been accused of bungling the August 9, 2022 general election, is an outstanding man whose only role was doing the right thing. At an appropriate time, when all this is over, I entertain no doubt that an independent group of people looking at the work that Chebukati has done for our nation will recognize him as one of our outstanding heroes in the history of our nation. Former Attorney General Githu Muigai, who is representing Chebukati, submitted. Chebukati declared William Ruto president-elect in the hotly contested election on August 15, 2022, but Raila Odinga, who was vying for the fifth time, unsuccessfully believes he was denied victory. However, Muigai claimed that the whole process went right from the registration of voters to the final step of declaration of election results. My lords, you have been urged by several counsel who has spoken before me that this election was irretrievably flawed, that from the word go and one counsel said, and I quote, that everything that could go wrong went wrong. If that could be true, and we deny that it is true, then it would mean that everything from voter education, voter registration, procurement, nomination, voting, counting, tallying, verification, and declaration was totally flawed, the lawyer said. He further argued that if that would be the case, however, how come senior counsels like Siaya Governor James Orengo and Kisumu Senator Tom Ojenda are satisfied with the elections in which they won? First of all, you have been addressed by counsels of great eminence, including my learned senior James Orengo and my learned junior Prof. Tom Ojenda. In this court, my lords, as we sit here this morning, there are no less than 3 governors, 4 senators, 4 members of parliament addressing you elected under this election. My lords, it is not in my place to suggest that the questions you put to council, but I would plead with you to put that question to the council when they return to the podium. Are they happy with their own election? If they are, however, how then is this election irredeemably flawed? Muigai said. Others who won elective seats but are representing Raila include Makueni Senator Dan Maanzo. Chebukati declared William Ruto president-elect in the hotly contested election on August 15, 2022, but Raila Odinga, who was vying for the 15th time, unsuccessfully believes he was denied a victory. Odinga is challenging Ruto's victory and has blamed Chebukati for overseeing a shambolic exercise. Odinga wants the election nullified. Now you're up to date. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on post notification so that you can be the first one to watch news whenever we upload them.